The Indian government's central unified tax, the GST, the goods and services tax, has brought in revenues of over 1 lakh crore rupees. That's roughly $15 billion. And this is only last month. April is the first month in which GST collection came in above 1 lakh crore rupees. This is since the rollout of the new indirect tax regime in July last year. India's Ministry of Finance has said that the buoyancy in tax collections under the GST reflects the upswing in the economy. It goes on to say that that's also because of better compliance. The total revenue earned by central and state governments in the month of April this year the figure has been released by the Finance Ministry, 32,493 crore rupees for central GST, and it's 40,257 crore rupees for state GST. The Finance Ministry had earlier said that the revenue gap of each state is coming down since the GST was introduced, pointing out that the average revenue gap of all states for the last year is around 17%. So this is the first time that these figures released by the Finance Ministry show that the monthly revenue from the goods and services tax has breached or gone above the 1 lakh crore rupee mark. That's roughly at a current currency rates about $15 billion. And that's for last month, that's for April 2018. Sumit Chaturvedi now joining us from our newsroom. Sumit, this figure seems to be extremely significant.
Well, absolutely, Amitabh. Since last year when GST was implemented, there were doubts every month that what kind of figures is it going to be there as far as the income tax collections are concerned. So initially, for a few months, the overall collection dropped. This was particularly because of low production base or low manufacturing that was there after GST kicked in. And then there were concerns, but now it seems that the concerns are over because this kind of figure is something government had desired, and definitely it's going to help government as far as economic reforms and the push regarding this is concerned. So yes, the first month of April, first month of the new financial year has passed, and government has released this figure, 1 lakh crore rupees, around $15 billion, is quite a commendable figure when it comes to GST. Well, overall, as far as government is concerned, these two reforms, the GST and note ban, there questions were raised every now and then whether these reforms have been able to fulfill the expectations, and now it looks like the GST, yes, has been able to fulfill the expectations, but behind this, there have been good, we can say that, our government also pushed a lot because the overall compliance has also increased, the taxation has increased, the people more and more are participating, but now government is after people who haven't filed the income tax returns as well. So that's going to increase further, but this kind of number, clearly a big thumbs up to the government.
A big thumbs up to the government from these figures. Sumit Chaturvedi, thanks for those details from the WION newsroom.